Turning trash into treasure, the power of waste to wealth. Waste to wealth, or WTW, is a simple idea. It means turning waste into something useful. Imagine taking things we throw away, changing them into valuable resources. This is the heart of WTW. Instead of seeing waste as a problem, WTW sees it as an opportunity. It's about finding creative ways to reuse and recycle. We can transform trash energy into energy, compost, even new products. WTW is a win-win solution. It helps us reduce pollution and create a cleaner environment. It also helps us conserve resources and save money. Why waste to wealth matters a sustainable future. Our planet is facing serious challenges. The effect climate change is becoming more evident every day, with rising temperatures and extreme weather events. Climate change, pollution, and resource depletion threaten our future. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on are all at risk. We need sustainable solutions, and waste to wealth is a key part of the answer. By transforming waste to wealth into useful resources, we can mitigate environmental issues. By converting waste into valuable products, reduce our reliance on landfills. This not only saves space, but also reduces the harmful emissions that come from waste decomposition. Landfills are the major source of greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is released in large quantities from decomposing waste. They also take up valuable land and contaminate soil and water. This contamination can have long-lasting effects on local ecosystems and human health. Waste to wealth promotes a circular economy. This approach focuses on keeping resources in use for as long as possible, extracting maximum value from them. This means we keep resources in use as long as possible. By reusing and recycling, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste we produce. Reduce waste, reuse products, and recycle materials. This not only helps the environmental, but also creates economic opportunities and jobs. This helps us conserve natural resources and create a more sustainable future. By embracing waste to wealth, we can build a healthier planet for generations to come.
While turning waste into resources is important, reducing waste in the first place is even better. By making small changes in our daily life, we can collectively make a big difference. There are many simple things we can do to reduce our environmental footprint. For instance, recycling at home using reusable bags when shopping and opting for energy-efficient appliances. One important step is to compost food scrap and yard waste. This not only reduces the amount of waste sent to landfill but also create valuable compost. This organic material can be turned into nutrient-rich compost which can be used to improve soil health and grow more food. Composting is a natural process that enriches the soil and helps plants thrive. We can also reduce food waste by being mindful of our consumption habits. Planning meals ahead, checking food expiration dates, and shopping with a list can prevent overbuying. Buy only what we need, using leftover creatively, and sharing meals with family and friends can make a big impact. Storing food properly can all help to minimize the amount of food that ends up in the trash. Proper storage technique like using mason jar and vacuum sealing can extend the life of our food.
For your information, there is one company that has conducted this project and it has proven that food waste can be converted into biogas. This company posted their project on their YouTube channel named Acorn Land Labs. In the video, they explain about the process of how to convert food waste to biogas, specifically to produce methane. Firstly, they need microbes named as methanogen that exist in cow manure. The fresher the manure, the better. In addition to the manure, you're gonna need 300 gallons of water to activate the system in order to provide the environment for the methanogen to produce methane. Once you get the manure and water to mix together and load it into the methane digester, the activation period takes about 3 to 6 weeks based on the external temperature at average temperature about 68 degrees Fahrenheit to function properly. From food waste to cooking gas, first you get your food waste into the sink part of the biogas digester. The food waste then goes underwater in the slurry mixture and will be broken down by the methanogen. The methanogen consumes the sugar and starches in the food waste, and methane bubbles up from the lower chamber to the upper chamber. The methane then goes to the carbon filter to filter out any type of toxins so that you get clean burning methane fuel. The methane fuel is then pushed through the line to the outdoor burner. The igniter will light the methane fire, then you can cook food for 2 hours per day. Then the liquid fertilizer or the effluent escape out of the bag tube and can be collected to be used as the fertilizer for our plants.
Did you know that every food waste that you throw away could be one of your powering home? Yes, it is true. Food waste is not just a trash, but it is also a resource where it's waiting for you to transform it to become a clean and also renewable energy. Biogas like this don't just reduce the waste, but also help us to reduce our dependence on the fossil fuels and also cut down the greenhouse gas emission. Apart from that, it also offers a practical way to combat the climate change by starting with our own home. The best part is anyone can start, whether it is separating your kitchen waste, supporting your local biogas project, or encouraging the community to start investing in the sustainable energy solution. So, this small step can lead to a bigger change in the future. This is not just about saving the planet, but also building a stronger and greener community. Community that thrive on shared progress, shared responsibility, and shared energy. So, here is my challenge to you. Start to look at your food waste differently, join more community events, support local eco-friendly initiatives, encourage your family members and also friends, and most importantly, be the spark and inspire other people to turn waste into wealth.